Welcome to Go Lesson 4, Numbers and Math. In this lesson, you will learn how to work with numeric types in Go. We will cover integers, floats, the math package and type conversions. Let us start with integer arithmetic. We define two integer variables, a and b. Go supports addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Integer division discards the decimal. Modulo gives the remainder. "17 divided by 5 is 3 with remainder 2. Now let us work with floating point numbers. Float 64 is the default precision. Float 32 uses less memory. Printf with %.2f formats to 2 decimal places. Notice that integer division gives 2, but float division gives 2.5. Always use floats when you need decimal precision. The math package provides mathematical functions and constants. We import both fmt and math packages. Math.Pow gives us the constant pi. Sqrt calculates square root. Round, floor and Ceil handle rounding in different ways. Round goes to nearest, floor goes down, Ceil goes up. Go requires explicit type conversions between numeric types. To convert into float, wrap the value with float 64. Converting float to int truncates the decimal part. You can also convert between different integer sizes. Always be careful of precision loss when converting types. Let us recap what we learned. Integer division truncates. Use modulo for remainders. Floats handle decimals. The math package provides useful functions. Always use explicit conversions between numeric types. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore control flow in Go. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.